Welcome to the future where AI is king. It is completely reshaping the IT landscape. We must adapt and evolve. Upgrading your skills is the only way to stay ahead. Let's dive deep into this revolution together. At its core, machine learning is what drives this shift. It analyzes vast amounts of data to predict. This allows smarter decisions and innovate faster. This is not just a trend, it is the new standard. Hello everyone, welcome to Sadiq Tech Solutions. Today, we are going to explore Claude AI, one of the most powerful artificial intelligence available today, learning, coding, and business operations. Claude is an advanced AI assistant developed by Anthropic. It is designed it is designed to understand human language, analyze documents, and solve complex problems. Claude helps content creators generate blog articles, social media posts and marketing content, product descriptions and newsletters, and professional emails within minutes. For developers, Claude acts like a coding assistant. It can generate code, explain programming concepts, debug errors, optimize applications. One of Claude's biggest strengths is handling large documents. It can summarize lengthy reports, extract key information, compare documents, and provide actionable insights. Students and learners can use Claude to understand complex topics, create study notes, generate quizzes, solve problems, and accelerate learning. Claude can analyze data, identify patterns, generate summaries, explain trends, and support data driven decision making. Claude offers several advantages, including strong reasoning capabilities, excellent writing quality, advanced document understanding, large context handling. AI is completely revolutionizing the IT industry. It is changing how we develop software and manage data. To stay relevant, upgrading your skills is not just an option, it is a necessity.